Hello, friends! Come, let's learn the alphabet from A to Z.
A is for apple, a shiny red treat, growing on trees, so juicy and sweet. B is for ball, so round and so bright, bouncing and rolling, it's such a delight. C is for cat, with whiskers so fine, purring and playing, a friend of mine. D is for dog, who loves to run, wagging his tail and having fun. E is for elephant, gentle and grand, with a long trunk and big ears that stand. F is for fish, swimming with glee, splashing and swishing so playfully. G is for giraffe, so tall and sweet, with a long neck reaching for leaves to eat. H is for hen, pecking the ground, cluck, 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 with chicks all around. I is for ice cream, yummy and sweet, a tasty treat that's fun to eat. J is for juice, fresh and bright, a yummy drink, morning or night. K is for kite, flying so high, dancing with the wind up in the sky. L is for lion, with a big loud roar, king of the jungle forevermore. M is for monkey, swinging so high, jumping and laughing under the sky. N is for nest, where little birds rest, safe and warm, it's truly the best. O is for owl, with big round eyes, hooting softly under the skies. P is for penguin, waddling around, sliding on ice without a sound. Q is for queen, wearing a crown, smiling gently as she looks around. R is for rabbit, hopping with glee, jumping around so playfully. S is for sun, shining so bright, warming the world with its golden light. T is for train, chugging along, puffing its smoke with a cheerful song. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry when little raindrops fall from the sky. V is for van, rolling on the street, carrying friends for a fun treat. W is for watch, ticking all day, helping us know time in a fun way. X is for Xmas tree, shining so bright, with twinkling lights, what a magical sight. Y is for yacht, sailing so free, riding the waves, come along with me. Z is for zebra, with stripes black and white, running so fast, what a wonderful sight. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like, share, and subscribe.